Hey everybody, it's your boy Sarge, back with another one. This is going to be a two-part series because you know me, every video I got to go bigger and bigger. So this is a 1/6 scale Superman with Henry Cavill's head. It's done in 1/6 scale and it's made by Zez Studio. I printed the bigger one, the quarter scale one, a few months back, and then I got commissioned for this one. So you won't see him in the next video, but I will have some footage of him. So this one, if you like this, just stay tuned for the other one, because all the mistakes that I made in this one, I get to correct in the big one. And I don't know if you see any mistakes, but hopefully I have minimal mistakes in the next one, because I learned a lot from this one, and the things that I want to do for the next one is going to be better because of detail size. The size, it's easier to do more detail in a bigger model, of course. But I still think 1/6 scale is the perfect size for a model for painting, because you still get pretty good facial features. I was able to put the 5 o'clock shadow on them and have nice detail in the eyes. Yeah, this is a perfect size. And if you see my place, I'm printing myself out of my house. I have to buy a new house. So please help with that by just subscribing for free. I'm just joking. I'm retired Navy and I got the VA loan, but still, I need to buy another house just to house all this stuff that I'm printing. Because not everything goes to a subscriber.
Let's pause that till the end. Speaking and go over this video real quick. This isn't too long, but I start off by priming it and doing a zenithal prime. I learned a lot from this one. So the next one I probably just prime them black and hit them with a black. Here's the base. Just doing basic details, lighting. I'll go more into detail on part 2. But I still want the basic effect of this rock being on fire from the explosion. The body's being painted now. So before I did the boots, I did the body in black, and I hit them with like a dark, not a gray, but a black gray for the highlights. And for the face and hands, I do a basic skin tone. I started off with some Army Painter skin tones. I use so many different ones that are almost the same shade. It's hard to remember which one is which. But this is Army Painter. And the light color is just a variation of mixtures that I made just to get a light tone that's not too pale. I'll start my washes. I do a yellow wash, followed by a red wash, then some freckling, and then my blue wash. And then I'll go back and I hit it with the airbrush with some light tones. After the skin layer has been applied again, I go back and do another wash around like the vital areas, the nose, mouth, and eyes, and the ears. The idea is to bring color to this skin. Now I'm taking some peach and I'm adding it to the lips and the eye area. We're gonna do the whites of his eyes, and I take a mixture of off-white and some pink or peach and mix that to get the color. You don't want like real white eyes; it'll make it look creepy. Now I will just draw in my pupil so I get it in the correct spot. You can do it with an ink or you can do it with a pencil. You're still painting over that spot. And here I'm just painting with a dark blue from Pro Acryl paint, and then I'll lighten that paint up with and make it like a sky blue and go over it again. Now I'm doing the 5 o'clock shadow, and I've attempted this in dry brushing, using green or whatever. And my guy Henry from the Creative Collector, he did a video the other day that gave me some ideas on painting the 5 o'clock shadow. And I think I got it right for this one. Appreciate you, Henry. And make sure you go see his channel. He's always shouting my channel out. Go see the Creative Collector. He's up there. He's one of the best. So yeah, check him out. Now I'll just base his hair with some brown. I just got some craft paint and some brown to spread it around, and bars. Don't let us pass that. I can't float. It's like, yeah. So I painted the hair with brown. Now I'm gonna go back and go over it with some black, highlight it, and call this boy done. And back to my thought before the break.
Speaking of that, I just came out with an idea. I think when I reach 2,000 subscribers, which I have about 1,100 right now, I think I'm gonna give one of these bad boys away and paint it for somebody and send it off to them. How about that? So if you think that's a good idea, hit me up. If you watch this and you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm just gonna do it to a random subscriber that puts a comment on my post, and it can be any post. I'm just gonna pick a random person when I hit 2,000. So stay subscribed, like, hit the bell notification, and also comment. And you can also share it on your social medias. And if you want to see more of my stuff, hit me on Facebook, hit me on Instagram, hit me on TikTok. My Facebook is Derek Sargent Senior. My Instagram is Derek Sargent _, and my TikTok is DSarge74. That's DEESARGE 74. But if you like this, please hit the like button and please subscribe. And thank you. And stay tuned for part 2.
Cut the mid-range, drop it.